Welcome to the front lot of our studio. Now the front lot is where we have most of our sound stages. We have 28 of them here on the lot. Now the sound stages are where they film some of the interior scenes to some of your favorite TV shows, films. And you know, we are one of the biggest studios on the planet. We have over 400 acres of property. So we're about to pass by Sitcom Alley. It's over here on your right. We call this corridor Sitcom Alley because so many famous TV sitcoms have shot inside these various stages. To your right, going all the way back to the Jeffersons, One Day at a Time, Different Strokes. And that legacy continues today with sitcoms like Mr. Mayor, which stars Ted Danson and Holly Hunter. Now, I want to prove to you that the world is right around the corner. So, welcome to New York, everyone. We're in New York City. This is New York Street. And yes, New York Street has doubled as New York City. Quite a few productions throughout the years. But it's doubled for just about every major U.S. city. Now these aren't buildings, they're what we call facades, the front and sides of buildings. And that's because that's all the camera really needs to see shots. And what may appear to be a brick and stone, it's another Hollywood illusion. It's merely foam, rubber, fiberglass, and plywood. Now Jurassic World Dominion is coming out this summer. Put it in your calendars, June 10th. It's the official release date. Now the stars of the first Jurassic Park movie, Sam Neill, Laura Dern, and Jeff Goldblum will all be appearing in the newest Jurassic World film. Now speaking of Jurassic Park, do I have any Jurassic Park fans on board? Okay, ooh, there's a lot of you. Okay, well this one is for all of you fans. We are going to take you there. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Yes, welcome to Jurassic Park. Ladies and gentlemen, this area just ahead of us is where Universal keeps some of the set pieces and picture cars featured in the first 3 Jurassic Park films. Now, if you're a true Jurassic Park aficionado, you're going to recognize some of these set pieces, including the mobile lab over here on your left. Now, the mobile lab was featured in The Lost World, the second Jurassic Park film. This very intense scene where it got pushed off a cliff. Whoa, oh my goodness, guys, I'm so sorry. Watch out, Car2. I forgot to tell you guys, we have dinosaurs here at Jurassic Park. These are like Dilophosaurs. Watch out, Car3. They must have got out of their cages. Dilophosaurs. So loud. Watch out, Car3. Oh yes, this scene with the mobile lab, by the way, dangling from the cliff, was actually filmed not on a real cliff, but on one of our parking structures that they dressed to look like a cliff. Another Hollywood illusion. All right, guys, we're gonna prove to you that the world is right around the corner. Once again, we're gonna take you from the jungles of Costa Rica a little bit further north into Mexico.
Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Yes.
Old Mexico is
Tequila for everyone.
It really does live up to its name. It's actually one of the oldest sets ever back on. It sounded like thunder. Where is he?
Oh wow.
Wow. Okay, this I was not expecting. That's raining. Huh. Well, you know what? This is a good thing. We need the rain. We do. We don't get a lot of rain here in California. This is actually very good. Although it is raining very hard. You know, they say when it rains this hard, this fast, that flash floods are a possibility. They say that. Oh, but I don't want to scare anyone. You usually whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness.
Well, I am giving the benefit of the doubt, like thinking that maybe it was a old time, very old time in Mexico.
Not modern Mexico.
But, yeah, but I don't think so.
But even Paris, it's like
Yeah, I mean,
that's a big flag.
oh yeah.
I don't think I'm ever going to be able to emotionally recover from that. The Secret Life of Pets was too much.
Too intense for you?
It was a lot. I'm
It
going to
was.
totally wait and get a photo with this.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Turfland.
Yep.
Ooh, I feel like a traitor to my people. Looks pretty though.
Okay, we've got a camera, car keys, cell phone, this kid. Any takers? No? One more week, and then I'm afraid we have to put you down.
Okay, so here we have the Duff beer that I just spilt and the donut that I spilt. I also spilt it on the donut. Look how big that is.
Huge. Bigger than your head.
Well, cheers.
Well done.
Cheers.
Well done. Good. Start the cake. It's huge.
Like a wedding cake.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Lower lot.
Lower lot.
I think that's the dinosaurs.
I'm ready for this.
Go in without all the photos, all the videos. This is the first time I crossed the threshold. I've waited. We've waited
For so long.
so long,
Like-
our entire lives,
31 years of my life.
and we cross. Okay.
And the music, like, it even like makes you feel that it's a good idea to create a park like this with real dinosaurs.
Honestly, I've learned nothing from the movies. If they tell me tomorrow they can make dinosaurs, they
You
must
will be
make
there.
dinosaurs.
Thank you. I think the same.
I want to see dinosaurs. Everybody say hi.
Hey.
In a few seconds, we will be entering Herbivore Valley, where plenty dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family. In a moment, you will be entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures. We have a containment Sir, unit is out of containment. Admin containment unit to Predator Code. Repeat, ACU to Predator Code. Code red. I am sending you down across the board.
Remains calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please, Harry, payment is deployed.
Turn on. Am I on? Is this on? Listen to me. Do not panic. You can see me. I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
It was everything I hoped it would be. Time. We're gonna go again later. We're gonna go again later. We're gonna beat you. We're gonna beat you.
Oh no, that's not fair. You were supposed to wait in these escalators. I never heard that part.
They're running away on the. No! Oh fuck! This was a mistake.
No. 15 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We're getting there.
There we are.
Welcome. Hello, cheaters. Hello, cheaters. How do you feel?
Like I won.
Cheating.
Good one.
Hey, I climbed 10 flights of stairs today. My watch says.
No, what are you doing? Over the back.
Like a weird situation with my husband.